Now we'll see the editors available for TypeScript. Webmatrix is the free editor that we can make use of for writing TypeScript. It has got an extension available which will allow us to compile the TypeScript files that we create. Similarly, Brackets is another free editor available which has got the extension for TypeScript. We'll be taking a look at Webmatrix and Brackets, and we'll see how we can make use of these extensions that are available for them. Then we have IntelliJ editor. This one is a paid version. Then we have Sublime Text Editor available. For this also we have a plugin, and you can access that plugin from this URL that we have. From the TypeScript website, we can download the plugins for Microsoft Visual Studio 2013 and 2015. This you can see it in the installation section. Now let's go ahead and check out the Webmatrix first. So for Webmatrix, you go and click on the extension icon, and once that's done, you will get the extension gallery opened up. There you can type TypeScript and you'll see this option coming up, TypeScript Tools. I've already installed it on my system. You can just go ahead, select it and click on install, and once installed, you'll see it in this way. Over here you'll get these two options, compile TypeScript and update software. Initially, when you will save a file and try to compile it, it will install TypeScript no matter earlier if you have installed it or not, because the path over here will be totally different from the path where initially the TypeScript was installed. That's why a fresh installation will take place over here, and once installed you can compile your TypeScript files like these we have over here, sample.ts and 1.ts. When you click on this compile TypeScript, it will compile all the TypeScript files that are available in your project. So it doesn't matter whether you have opened sample.ts, it's going to compile all the TypeScript files. So over here, if I click on compile TypeScript, you'll notice that it's compiling 1.ts and then sample.ts. With sample.ts we have an issue because we were trying to assign a string instead of a number. That's why we get this error and warning coming up. That's the feature that we get with this TypeScript compiler extension of Webmatrix. But over here we need to compile it every time in order to get the result. So if I just remove this and make it a number and save this now, click on compile TypeScript, you'll notice that there are, just reload this because I've opened the sample.js. So you can see that the error has gone, and in the output window you can see that the files are compiled to JavaScript. Here you can see the JavaScript version of the same sample.ts file. Now let's go ahead and check out the Brackets editor. You can install Brackets by visiting this website, brackets.io. You can click on this link, download Brackets over here, and once downloaded you can install it, and after the installation is complete, it will open up the Brackets over here, and you can click on this extension icon and this extension dialog box will pop up. There you can type TypeScript, and you need to install Brackets TSLint and Brackets TypeScript. These two needs to be installed. The good thing with Brackets is that it will pop up all the errors before compiling. So that's the use of Brackets TSLint. Now let's close this. Now over here, if I go to this debug and select the show errors in status bar option, and then make a mistake in this function, try to save this file, and there you go. It will pop up the error message saying that the string has been passed in the double F function, which expects a number. So you do not need to compile with this for getting the error message. It will show you on save itself. As you can see now, there is no error coming up, so it's good to go. Similarly, you can download IntelliJ IDEA from this website, and the plugin for Sublime Text Editor can be downloaded from here, GitHub repository. We'll be working with the Webmatrix version for the rest of the course. This was just a demonstration so that you can use the editor of your choice. In the upcoming lectures, we'll see the TypeScript playground provided by the TypeScript website.